the lengths some people go to collect elderflower when wanting to make a delicious elderflower cordial. So when picking elderflower, just make sure that you pick it from above waist height, because foxes, dogs, cats, animals wheel over it and you don't really want that. Anyway, don't decimate a bush that you find. Pick some from it and then collect elderflower from another one, because if you rip a bush to bits and take all the elderflower of one bush, it's not really going to produce much crop the following season. And also you want to leave some on because they produce berries which you can harvest later in the season to make jams and sauces with. So my few tips when foraging in the wilds of Sussex. So here we have 3 litres of water which we're going to bring up to the boil, and in that I'm going to pour 1 kilo of sugar. So we are cutting up 3 lemons, just going to slice them. So in this recipe we have 3 lemons, 1 orange, a massive load of elderflower. We also have a kilo of caster sugar and 50 grams of citric acid. When your waters come up to temperature, turn off the heat and stick the pot to one side. So in this is the 3 litres of water, the kilo of caster sugar. So Jonah, if you just tip in the citric acid for me, please. Slowly, and be careful because it's boiling hot, so you chuck it all in, but just do it. That's it. This is a really simple recipe. Bit of a reaction going on there. Nice. Now we're going to add 1 orange and 3 lemons. They've all been sliced up. They've been washed because I only had waxy lemons, so I had to wash them. So we just put those in gently. Don't chuck them because otherwise it'll splash, won't it, in boiling water. So next, I'm not going to say how much elderflower, but what you want is enough. So yeah, you want enough elderflower so that when you've put it all in, it sort of fills the pot up. So what you want to do is just pick the elderflower. Doesn't matter if you've got the stalks on. Some people take the stalks off, some people leave them on. But no, it doesn't really matter. We've put all our elderflower in, and we're going to leave that to sit for 24 hours. Now that it's sat for 24 hours overnight, we strain it through a sieve, and I tend to strain it through a sieve and then pour the juice that we've strained through the sieve again, and then I pour it through a tea towel or muslin just to make sure that there's no bits or bugs or anything in there. And we hope you enjoy this refreshing drink as much as we do.